Okay, so this is a recap of what we are looking for. Dollar, we've traded to the discount session of the range, so we are looking for some form of a rejection. Aussie, we've traded up into the two levels I gave. Nothing much on this. We are still short on this one, so we're looking for our second target to be met down here. Euro, we are waiting to see what will happen on the dollar by the end of today. Pound, we are just not doing anything on it. Euro pound, we did give this trade idea. I'm looking for a target here and a target there. Aussie New Zealand, we also gave this trade idea for these two targets. Euro yen, we are waiting for price to get down here for a possible long. Pound yen, we are looking at this level here for a possible rejection. Aussie yen, those who were interested for a long to take out that high. New Zealand yen, again, we have reached our second target and looking for price to run this low. Euro New Zealand price did reach our target, so we are looking for a retracement for a continuation to the upside. So we're looking for a retracement here. Similar to pound, we are looking for a retracement for a continuation to the upside. Euro pound, we are looking for a run down here and then a rejection and then a continuation to the upside. Pound Aussie, we are looking for price to run down here and then we look for a rejection for a continuation to the upside. New Zealand Swiss, we are not doing anything on there. Similar to Aussie Swiss, we are not doing anything. On this, we are looking for price to swing to the optimal trade entry, which is the 618 level, and then we look for another leg to the downside. New Zealand CAD, same thing. We want price to retrace up here, and then we look for a sell for a continuation to the downside. So we're looking for price to come here for a sell for a continuation to the downside. Dollar CAD, we don't have anything on this at the moment. And then finally, CAD yen, we do have a trade on this for a continuation to the downside. Thank you, and I will see you tomorrow.